children, hearty welcome to Adarsh Vidyalaya Matriculation Online Classes. Class 7, Subject Hindi, Lesson 7, Topic Vichitra Dand. Vichitra means different type of, odd, and dand means penalty or punishment. So Vichitra Dand means a different type of punishment, or you can say the correct meaning is odd penalty, a different type of penalty. Okay children, so this is a story about a king who gave punishment to an old lady who came to his garden to fetch some fruits. So what was the punishment given by the king? Let us see in the lesson. We'll move on to the lesson children. पंजाब के महाराजा रंजीत सिंह बड़े उदार थे. The king of Punjab, his name was Ranjit Singh. He was a very merciful person. The king of Punjab named Ranjit Singh was a very merciful and generous person. एक बार वे अपने उद्यान में टहल रहे थे. Once upon a time he was walking in his garden. उस शहर के लोग अपने महाराज के दर्शनों के लिए उस बाग में जमा थे. The people of his kingdom were surrounding the garden to make a visit to their king. अचानक एक पत्थर महाराज के माथे पर लगा. Suddenly a stone came and hit on the forehead of the king. उनके माथे से खून चुहचुहाने लगा. Blood started rolling down from his forehead. लोगों ने कहा, पकड़ो, किसने महाराज को पत्थर मारा है, पकड़ो. The people started screaming, who hit the king with the stone? Catch the person, catch the person. They all started screaming. So the king of Punjab, Maharaj Ranjit Singh, he was walking in his garden one day, and the people were surrounding the garden to make a visit to their king, when a stone came and hit on the forehead of the king, and blood started rolling down his forehead, while people started screaming, catch the person who hit the king with the stone. We'll move further children. सैनिकों ने एक बुढ़िया को पकड़ लिया. The soldiers of the king caught hold of an old lady. बुढ़िया भय से कांपते हुए महाराज के सामने पहुंची और जोर जोर से रोने लगी. The old lady was shivering with fear, and as soon as she reached near the king, she started crying very loudly. महाराज ने पूछा, अरे क्या बात है? King asked to that old lady, hey lady, what happened? उन्हें देखकर बुढ़िया उनके पैरों पर गिर पड़ी. As soon as the old lady saw the king, she fell down on the feet of the king. महाराज ने बुढ़िया को उठाया और बोले, माँ, तुमने मुझ पर पत्थर क्यों मारा? क्या अपराध है मेरा? The king made that old lady to get up from his feet, and he asked to that old lady, oh old lady, what was my mistake? Why did you hit me with the stone? So here the soldiers of the king caught hold of an old lady who was very afraid now, and she started crying. As soon as she reached near the king, she fell down on the feet of the king. But the king made her to get up, and he asked, what was my mistake and why did you hit me with the stone? बुढ़िया ने कहा, मुझे माफ़ करें महाराज. The old lady said, O king, please forgive me. मैंने पत्थर उस आम के पेड़ पर मारा था. I hit with the stone on that mango tree only. निशाना चूक गया और पत्थर आपको लग गया. But my target was missed and the stone came and hit on your forehead. I am really sorry. पर माँ, ऐसी भी क्या जल्दी थी? Then the king asked, "Okay, lady, but what was the hurry for that?" हमारे निकल जाने पर करती. You should have done that once we have left from this place. What was so hurry to hit the mango with a stone when I am here in the garden? The king asked to that old lady. महाराज, मेरा इकलौता बेटा कल से भूखा और बीमार है. She said, "O king, my only son is not well from yesterday and he has not eaten anything. He is hungry from yesterday. He is not well also and he is hungry." घर में खाना कुछ नहीं है. There is no food in my house. वह भूख से तड़प रहा है. He is very very hungry. He is yearning with hunger. मैं एक आम तोड़कर उसे देना चाहती थी. I just wanted to pluck one mango and give it to my son to stop his hunger. अचानक निशाना चूक गया और पत्थर आपको लग गया. यह कहकर बुढ़िया फिर से रोने लगी. But suddenly the target was missed and the stone came and hit on your forehead. I am really sorry for that. The lady said these words and she again started crying loudly. यह सुनकर महाराज कुछ देर तक चुप रहे. फिर मंत्री से बोले, वृद्धा को पर्याप्त धन दिया जाए तथा बच्चे के स्वास्थ्य का प्रबंध किया जाए. After hearing to the words of that old lady, the king went silent for some time. Then he said one of his minister to give sufficient fund to that lady and to take care of his son till his health gets ready. So, after hearing to the words of that old lady, the king was silent for some time and then he asked his minister to give sufficient amount to that old lady and take care of his son's health. यह विचित्र दंड सुनकर सब चकित रह गए. बुढ़िया की आंखों से झरझर आंसू बहने लगे. Hearing to these words or the penalty which the king has given to that old lady, all were surprised. All were standing in that garden surrounding, right children? So all the people, they were very surprised because that lady has hit the king with a stone, but the king is asking to give sufficient amount and to take care of his son's health. So this was a different penalty, right children? All were really surprised. And now the tears started rolling down the old lady's eyes once again. She started crying very loudly again. मुझे दंड दे महाराज. She cried and she said, "O king, please give me some punishment." मैंने आपको पत्थर से मारा है. I have hit you with the stone. Please give me some punishment. The old lady started crying once again. महाराज ने वृद्धा के आंसू अपनी पगड़ी के छोर से पोंछे और बोले, माँ, आम का वृक्ष जब जड़ होकर भी पत्थर मारने से मीठे फल दे सकता है, तो मैं मनुष्य होकर भी तुम्हें कुछ नहीं दे सकता. The king wiped the tears of that old lady with his turban's end and he said to that old lady, "O mother, when the lifeless tree, when you hit with the stone, it gives you sweet fruit, then I am a human being. May I not help you with something? I should do that right for you. मैं तो तुम्हारा सेवक हूँ. I am your servant. So I should do this for you. This is my duty. तुमने तो मुझे कर्तव्य का पाठ पढ़ाया है. You have taught me the lesson of my duty, which I was not doing, I hope so, he said to that old lady. मैं शर्मिंदा हूँ कि अपनी प्रजा के लिए पेट भर भोजन भी नहीं जुटा सकता, कहकर महाराज मुस्कुराए. Now I am feeling ashamed. I am sorry that I'm not able to give enough food to have stomach full to my people of my kingdom. I should be sorry for that. The king said these words and he smiled to that old lady. बुढ़िया ने भी धीरे से मुस्कुरा दिया. Now the old lady also gave a smile back to the king. लोग महाराज की जय जयकार करने लगे. Seeing to all this, the people were very surprised and happy, and they started praising their king by saying Maharaj ki jai. So children, this was a different punishment where after being hit by the old lady also, king gave her a sufficient amount of money and to take care of this child and everything. So this was a different punishment given by one of the greatest king. So this was all the story in the lesson. I hope you enjoyed the story, children. Now we'll move on to the word meanings. These are the word meanings given over here for this lesson. Please go through it. And for the exercises, we'll meet in the next session. Thank you, children.